KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
KeyDigital Management Software Pro, also known as KDMSPro, is a PC-based software that you as a professional AV integrator, KeyDigital reseller, can use to configure your units and load latest firmware, set EDID control handshakes, and provide input and output friendly names so that those names can be shown on the KeyDigital app and in the KeyDigital management software for users. Scan your network or connect via USB to connect to a device. Enter friendly naming. Set desired IP addresses one by one for each KeyDigital device. Then connect all units to your network. Perform one more scan, and you will see all of your KeyDigital management software capable devices in a list so that you can select and control. Again, KeyDigital Management Software Pro is a PC-based software tool for configuring and controlling your KeyDigital devices.